Hidden in the depths of Washington State's wilderness lies a secret, a place where millions of giant pythons are raised and processed each year. Welcome to the largest giant python meat processing factory in Washington. Nestled amidst the emerald canopy, this industrial marvel is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable appetite for the exotic. With every step taken towards this colossal structure, the distant hiss of serpents grows louder, the air becomes heavier, and the thrill of the unknown intensifies. The labyrinth of corridors and the labyrinthine process that takes place within these walls all contribute to an atmosphere that is almost otherworldly. As we delve deeper into this clandestine world, we are greeted by the sight of these magnificent creatures, their scales glistening under the factory lights. It's a sight to behold, but also one that prompts reflection on our culinary choices and their far-reaching impacts. My name is Jessica, your guide on this intriguing exploration. As a seasoned reporter, I've journeyed through the lengths and breadths of our country, uncovering stories that often remain hidden from the public eye. Today, we're venturing into the heart of Washington's exotic meat industry, a world that many know exists, but few have dared to explore. This journey won't be for the faint-hearted. We're about to confront the realities of an industry that caters to our fascination with the unique and the unusual. We'll be walking through corridors, echoing with the hisses of giant pythons, witnessing the precision and efficiency of the processing lines, and meeting the people who make it all possible. We'll be asking the tough questions. What are the ethical implications of this industry? How does it impact our environment? And most importantly, are we ready to bear the responsibility of our choices? So brace yourselves as we pull back the curtain on this secretive industry. Prepare to be enlightened, to be surprised, and perhaps even to be shocked. Hello everyone, I'm Jessica, and today we're embarking on a journey deep into the heart of Washington's exotic meat industry. But brace yourselves, what we uncover may leave you speechless. As we step inside, the air is thick with anticipation. The silence is deafening, broken only by the faint hiss of giant pythons. We're on the threshold of a world that few have ever seen. A world that, for many, is shrouded in mystery and often controversy. This is no ordinary factory. It's a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. A place where the extraordinary becomes commonplace. Here, in the heart of Washington, where the wilderness meets industry, we find ourselves at the epicenter of the giant python meat processing industry. As we navigate the labyrinthine corridors, the faint scent of exotic spices fills the air. It's a stark contrast to the dense, earthy aroma of the surrounding forest. The hum of machinery grows louder with each step, a steady heartbeat in the otherwise quiet facility. Suddenly, we're not alone. A figure steps forward to meet us. His name is Mark, the plant manager. With a firm handshake and a friendly smile, he welcomes us into his domain. Mark is a seasoned veteran in the business. He's been at the helm of this operation for years, overseeing the processing of millions of giant pythons. His eyes hold a glint of pride as he talks about the factory's operations. "Welcome to our factory," he says with a warm, inviting gesture. "Here, we raise and process millions of giant pythons every year, supplying high-quality meat to markets across the country." These are words that echo through the cavernous facility, a testament to the scale and ambition of this operation. As we delve deeper, we're left with a sense of awe. And yet, there's an undercurrent of unease. After all, we're in the midst of an industry that's as controversial as it is fascinating. But for now, we press on, eager to uncover the truth behind the doors of Washington's giant python meat processing factory. As I delve deeper into the factory, I'm struck by the eerie atmosphere. The sight of giant pythons being processed sends shivers down my spine. But the hum of machines and the focused expressions on the workers' faces remind me of the purpose of this place. It's not a scene from a horror movie, but rather, it's a testament to human ingenuity, to our constant quest for novelty and diversity in our diets. The factory floor is a hive of activity. There's an almost rhythmic quality to the way the workers go about their tasks. Each person is an integral part of a larger whole, working in concert to transform these enormous creatures into edible products. To better understand the process, I speak with some of the workers. Their hands are calloused, their faces lined with the evidence of hard work, but their eyes shine with a sense of pride. One of them, a seasoned veteran named Carl, shares his experience. Carl tells me he's been working here for over a decade. At first, he admits, it was daunting. The size of the pythons, the speed of the processing line, it was all overwhelming. But over time, he learned to respect these formidable creatures and the role they play in our food chain. Carl shares that the job is challenging, but also rewarding. He takes pride in knowing that he's part of a process that provides a unique, high-quality product to consumers. He emphasizes that the factory is committed to ethical and sustainable practices, ensuring the welfare of the pythons and minimizing the environmental impact. He also talks about the camaraderie among the workers. Despite the demanding nature of the job, there's a strong sense of community. They support each other, share jokes, and even have friendly competitions to see who can process pythons the fastest. It's not for the faint-hearted, but these workers take pride in providing consumers with high-quality python meat, sourced from ethical and sustainable practices. Their commitment to their craft is both admirable and inspiring, offering a glimpse into an industry that is seldom seen or understood by the outside world. But what about the environmental impact and the welfare of the pythons? Are we sacrificing too much for the sake of exotic cuisine? Jessica's voice rings out, her question echoing in the vast expanse of the factory. Mark, the plant manager, takes a moment to consider his response, his gaze steady. We're aware these are pertinent questions. Mark begins, his tone measured. The exotic meat industry, particularly python meat, has often been under scrutiny, and rightfully so. The balance between meeting consumer demand and ensuring sustainability is a delicate one. Mark then delves into the factory's practices. Our giant pythons are raised in controlled environments, designed to mimic their natural habitats as closely as possible. We ensure that they are well-fed, healthy, and stress-free, which not only benefits their welfare, but also contributes to the quality of the meat. He then addresses the environmental concern. As for the environmental impact, we are fully committed to minimizing our carbon footprint. All waste materials are either recycled or responsibly disposed of. We also continually invest in energy-efficient technologies to reduce our energy consumption. Jessica interjects, but isn't the very act of raising these creatures for meat inherently unethical? Mark, anticipating this, responds, ethics in food production is a complex issue. What's crucial is transparency. We're open about our practices and continually strive to improve them. We believe in giving consumers the choice to decide what's ethical. Mark concludes, we understand the concerns, and we're committed to operating in an ethical and sustainable manner. Our goal is to provide consumers with high-quality python meat while respecting the environment and the welfare of the pythons. As the revelation sinks in, Jessica is left with a deeper understanding of the industry and its complexities. The revelation isn't black or white, but rather a spectrum of grays, highlighting the need for continuous dialogue, transparency, and improvement in the food industry. As I leave Washington's largest giant python meat processing factory, I'm left with more questions than answers. The journey through the serpentine corridors of this industrial behemoth has been nothing short of surreal. The sights and sounds, the sheer scale of operations, the tireless workers, and the millions of pythons that pass through this place each year. It's a world that exists far removed from our everyday realities. The experience has been a stark reminder of the complexities that underpin our food system. It has made me realize that the neatly packaged exotic meats we find in our supermarkets have a story to tell, a journey that they've embarked on long before they land on our dinner tables. But this journey is not just about the pythons. It's also about the people who work in these factories, their lives intertwined with these magnificent creatures in the most unexpected of ways. It's about the managers who ensure the smooth running of operations, the workers who toil day in and day out, their hands telling a tale of resilience and dedication. And yet, amidst all this, the question of ethics looms large. The question of sustainability, of environmental impact, of the welfare of these giant reptiles. These are not easy questions to answer, and they demand a level of introspection that we often shy away from. So what does this all mean for us, the consumers? It means we need to think, and think hard about the choices we make. It means we need to question, to probe, to seek answers. It means we need to be conscious of the journey our food undertakes before it reaches us. Because every choice we make, every product we consume, leaves a footprint on the world around us. And as we navigate this complex web of food production, one thing remains clear. We, as consumers, hold immense power. The power to demand transparency, to insist on ethical practices, to champion sustainability. But one thing is clear. We all have a responsibility to educate ourselves about where our food comes from and the impact it has on the world around us.